Greetings everyone and welcome to Scented Palate. Today we are going to make very easy tea time biscuits. For that we need 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, half cup butter, 1 egg, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. So I have sugar and butter here. I am going to beat them thoroughly together until the butter becomes silky. Add 1 egg. So I already have 1 cup of flour in the bowl and I have added another one. Give it a little mix. Add the baking powder. For mixing, use an egg beater for a minute or so to speed things up. Then knead it until it softens up and sticks together like a dough, leaving no residue scattered in the bowl. Now you may be wondering why I have put a whole egg instead of just the yolk as mostly advocated. Well, there are many recipes for biscuits and cookies, and while experimenting with different techniques, I found that using a whole egg keeps biscuits fresh and crunchy, especially in humid weather. Now I'll spread the dough with a rolling pin. Now let's cut out one biscuit first just to check its thickness. It's very thick. I should flatten it more. You know, biscuits should not be thick because they will brown up from the outside while remaining doughy in the middle. Okay, now don't worry about the cracks in the dough. Just push the dough together and press the cracks a little bit. The thickness of your biscuits should not be more than half the depth of the plastic cutter that I am using. Thick biscuits tend to become soggy and at times moldy, especially in summers. And also they can go out of shape very quickly in the oven. I am going to transfer this batch of flours onto my baking tray. Keep making flours out of it until the whole dough is consumed. Make small round buds by kneading cocoa powder in about a tablespoon of dough. Make small depressions in the middle of your flour with your modeling tool or with your chopsticks or simply your fingers. All ovens are of different sizes. Mine is custom made at 3 feet by 2 feet. I will keep the temperature between 230 to 300 degrees. In most regular size ovens, temperature should be around 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until edges become golden. Place the cocoa powder buds in these depressions and press them with your finger so that the entire center is covered. Make shape corrections with your Dresden tool. Time to bake!